Welcome to Action English Academy. In this lesson, you will learn different ways to say weak in English. You will learn meanings, examples, and how to use them correctly. Let's start. First word is weak. Weak is a very common word. It means lacking physical or mental strength. For example, you can say, I felt weak after being sick. Repeat after me. Weak. I felt weak after being sick. Now watch the action.
Why do you look so weak?
I felt weak after being sick.
Oh, that explains it.
Second word is fragile. Fragile is a useful word. It means something that is easily broken or damaged. For example, you can say, this glass is very fragile. Repeat after me. Fragile. This glass is very fragile. Now watch the action.
Why are you holding it so carefully?
This glass is very fragile.
Oh, I understand.
Third word is feeble. Feeble is a descriptive word. It means extremely weak with very little energy. For example, you can say, he gave a feeble smile. Repeat after me. Feeble. He gave a feeble smile. Now, watch the action.
Why is he smiling like that?
He gave a feeble smile.
Oh, I understand.
Fourth word is frail. Frail is a useful word. It means weak and delicate, often due to age or illness. For example, you can say, the old man looked frail. Repeat after me. Frail. The old man looked frail. Now watch the action.
Why is he walking like that?
The old man looked frail.
Oh, that makes sense.
Last word is vulnerable. Vulnerable is an important word. It means easily hurt or affected physically or emotionally. For example, you can say, children are more vulnerable to illness. Repeat after me. Vulnerable. Children are more vulnerable to illness. Now watch the action.
Why do children get sick so easily?
Children are more vulnerable to illness.
Yeah, that's true.
Great job! Now you know better ways to express weak in English. Which word was your favorite? Comment below, like, share, and subscribe to Action English Academy. See you in the next lesson. Bye!